Hello everyone, I'm back, and today I'm here to maximize your fear. Today I'm bringing you another compilation of the top 5 scariest and most disturbing things ever caught on Ring doorbell cameras. And be sure to watch this one all the way to the end because it gets progressively more scary as you go. This video contains some truly disturbing crime clips as well as some unexplainable paranormal clips. If you guys want to see another one of these, go ahead and smash the like button's mom. Let's aim for 300 likes for another one of these. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the video. This clip was uploaded to TikTok on September 30th, 2022. It was posted by a verified account by the name of Joep. Joep is a musician and usually only posts videos of his music, but this clip was different. It was around 3 a.m. and he was sound asleep when a random man wearing strange gloves and a strange mask with a mustache drawn on it approaches his front door. He tries to open the door and peers into the Ring doorbell camera while aggressively tapping on the lens. The homeowner is then seen coming outside with a golf club moments later because he got many notifications on his phone that someone was at his door. He looks around for a minute but doesn't find anything. The user said that he was also in the process of shooting a horror film when this happened. This clip was captured on October 2nd, 2022 at 5 a.m. The user who posted this video said, "My neighbors were awoken to this on Sunday at 5 a.m. The footage shows a group of 3 masked men standing around the homeowner's front porch. All of them appear to be wearing masks that resemble the ones from the movie The Purge. One of the masked men begins covering up the camera to hide what they are doing. You can then see that all 3 men are now on the porch right by the front door. The guy in the back has a pistol in his hand. The man continues to cover the camera for a while until the clip comes to an end. It's unknown what the masked men's intentions were, but considering one was carrying a gun and they were all wearing masks and covering up the camera, it's pretty obvious that their intentions were not at all good. The 3 men were never caught." This video was captured on December 27th, 2022. It was posted to YouTube on December 29th. The description reads, 5 a.m. December 27th, 2022, ghost spotted on the Ring doorbell app. The apparently unedited footage captures a shadow walking down the sidewalk in front of the house. The figure appears to be partially see-through as it passes by the car and it almost completely disappears, only to reappear shortly after. Some people believe that this is a real and legit ghost sighting, others believe it is just a hoax. Let me know what you think in the comments. So if you've seen some of my other Ring doorbell videos, you guys may know this clip. This was actually footage from my family and I's own Ring doorbell on our front porch. And I told you that I would keep you guys updated and I would let you guys know if the spider intruder ever came back. And unfortunately it did. On September 19th, 2022, which was over a month from the last time it was spotted, our spider friend made its return. Hopefully the spider came back to say its final goodbyes, because since then it has not been seen, but I will keep you guys updated and I will let you know if it comes back again. Alright, it's time for clip number 1, and as you guys know, clip number 1 is the scariest clip of the whole video, so like always, viewer discretion is advised. This clip was posted to TikTok on March 7th, 2021. The clip shows 2 men and 1 woman approaching a front door with bags in their hands. The man in the front, while smoking a cigarette, begins to take off the screen of one of their windows, attempting to break into the house. He successfully takes one of the screens off until the homeowner catches them in the act and yells through the door. The homeowner tells them to leave, and luckily they did.
Get away from the door!
Who is that?
Without their Ring doorbell, the homeowners never would have known that this was happening. Luckily, they caught the burglars just in time and were able to stop them from breaking in. Who knows what would have happened next? The police were contacted, however, the burglars were never caught. Always lock your doors and your windows. Alright, I think that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did enjoy, as I said earlier, make sure you go ahead and smash the like button's mom, but if you've already done that, you might as well go for a round 2. And if you want to get to know me more and you want to see more of my spooky content, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Maxwell Fear, and you can go ahead and follow me on TikTok, Maximum Fear. I hope you all have a very happy Halloween. Alright, I hope your fear was maximized. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.